Imagine someone defining your character, worth, and mindset just because you were born with a darker skin color. Yo guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about racism. Racism towards brown people. Now, brown people include all people who belong to West and Southwest Asia. These include Indians, Pakistanis, Sri Lankans, Nepalis, and the people from the Gulf nations as well. Now, at least for countries like India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka, prior to our independence, our ancestors have been victims of extreme racism by the white British people. Like that wasn't enough, racism towards our race is still a huge problem in the 21st century. There have been several cases of violence against several brown people in the western part of the world, and still there's not been much noise against these acts. Now, I'm all for the Black Lives Matter movement, and it's a great initiative to curb racism and call out racists, but the problem and discrimination brown people face isn't any less worse. Racism towards brown people is so sly and casual, jokes about bombings, calling us filthy, dirty and cheap, and also referring to our race by using the P word. This is extremely offensive to the Pakistanis because a word to refer to the people of Pakistan is being used derogatively. People on the western end of the world don't understand the severity and how bad and casual racism towards brown people is, and it is extremely scary for people living there and people going there. So I urge people to be more aware and call out people who target our race online and in real life. Now, welcome to section 2 of this video, where I'm going to come back to Indians. The Indians of India. Racism towards Indians by Indians. Since the beginning of time, narrow-minded Indians have had and do have the superiority complex that the fair kid is the best one and deserves to be treated better than the darker complexioned one. Elder people compliment fair complexioned children and make very hurtful and insulting statements about a child's darker complexion. They won't even spare a child from thinking they're inferior. They are grown into thinking they're ugly just because of their complexion, and that's how kids become, right? Now they are the ones that are discriminating the next generation of dark complexioned kids. Now, if this wasn't already bad, on matrimonial sites and dating sites, men and women have shown clear indications that they will prefer a man or a woman who has a fair complexion. Honestly, how messed up is that? If you don't believe me, just check the matrimonial page that comes out on a national newspaper every Sunday. People offer men and women as being fair complexion as a feature that makes them think their son or daughter is more attractive. The entire system is insanely racist. Now, I haven't forgotten about the Northeast Indians. They are victims of extreme form of racism in the interior sides of the country. These victims have been called the C word, have been called Chinese and bat eaters and whatnot. They are literally told to go back to their own country. They have been the most affected during the time of the pandemic, especially with the whole China involvement in it. I'd like to end this video by asking you all to call out people who are being treated differently just for their color of their skin. Call them out and correct them. Just remember that you are not any less worthy because you have a darker complexion than somebody else. Thank you and goodbye.